Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. Today, we're looking at the Seese Pro Blower, a product that's been making the rounds online, promising powerful cleaning for gadgets, keyboards, car interiors, and more. But the big question is it worth your money or just another overhyped product? Let's find out. The Seese Pro Blower is advertised as a compact, eco-friendly alternative to canned air. It claims to blow strong, consistent air for cleaning electronics, dusting home items, and even detailing your car. Sounds impressive, right? No more wasting money on disposable air cans. At least, that's the pitch. At first glance, the design looks sleek and portable. Most models promise cordless operation, a rechargeable battery, and multiple nozzles for different cleaning needs. But here's where reality hits. Some buyers have reported weak airflow that doesn't live up to the Pro title. Others claim battery life drains way too quickly, making it less practical for larger cleaning jobs. Another red flag: the pricing. While some listings show attractive discounts, many websites sell the Seese Pro Blower at inflated prices compared to similar alternatives. In fact, you can find generic blowers with the same functions for much cheaper on trusted marketplaces. So, is the higher price tag just marketing hype? Before buying, it's always smart to check the seller's website. Some sites selling the Seese Pro Blower have limited contact information, no clear return policy, and fake-looking reviews. That's a major warning sign. If you can't verify the seller, or if the deal looks too good to be true, it's better to stay away. So, is the Seese Pro Blower worth your money? Honestly, while the idea of replacing canned air is great, this product seems overpriced for what it offers. If you really want a cordless blower, look for well-reviewed alternatives from trusted brands. Don't fall for flashy ads that push you into impulse buying. Remember, saving your money is better than wasting it on a product that may not deliver. That wraps up our review of the Seese Pro Blower. Have you tried this product or seen similar ones? Drop your experience in the comments below. It could help others avoid a bad purchase. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Scam Advisor for more honest reviews and scam alerts. Stay safe and see you in the next one. Thank you.